Always unplug the operator first before any servicing. Next, remove the 2 screws that secure the cover to the chassis located on the bottom of the operator. Lift the plastic cover upward and set it aside. Identify the 4 plastic anchors securing the board. With the pliers, squeeze the first anchor and lift that corner of the board. Repeat the same step for all 4 anchors. Disconnect the cables to board. Red, transformer connector. White, light connector. White, backup battery connector. Black, motor connector. Red, motion sensor connector. White, RPM connector. Remove the board. Remove the button membrane from board by pulling the membrane away from the board. Take the new logic board and place the membrane on the new logic board. Pull the membrane tabs to secure the membrane to the board. Reconnect the cables to board. Place the new board over the anchors and secure it to each anchor. Reattach the cover. Secure the top tab of the cover on the chassis and pivot down. Secure the cover with the 2 small screws. Plug in the operator.